Well, hello. Welcome to day 13. You can tell already that he's working on a different part of the project, and he's actually getting ready for what they call here the escollera, which is one of those rock walls that they do so well and so many of here in the Basque Country. Here, I'm going to cut this right now, and I'm going to pop one in that they did just 500 yards from where we are, so you see what I mean. And that'll go right there. Okay, that is just about 500 yards from the green gate. Another washout, not on our land, but that affected us, and you see what a neat job they can do with those humongous rocks. I think the rocks, there's only like 3 or 4 to a dump truck, maybe 5. Sometimes they're really big. And they always have a flat side, and they figure out how to make those things fit into position so that you have a nice, clean outside wall. That's what he'll be working on. Those other rocks, he said he'll just bury behind the nice ones there in the hole somewhere, because since they're slate kind of rocks, with water and freezing, they'll just crack and bust up. There he goes from track hoe to his dumper job. He's all by himself today, and there he goes. He was complaining about the dust, eating dust all day, because the exhaust goes downward and then there's a fan, and he's worked anyway. He was mentioning that. I'm going to speed it up for your benefit so you don't have to watch him crawl up all the way up the hill. So he's still filling in up there. It's hard to tell why from this angle, but I guess when he's done, he'll flatten it all out. You sure can tell what is fresh dirt. It's still quite damp, even though we haven't had rain and not supposed to get any. Okay, so now I turn around, go down the hill a little bit. Oh, there you can see the tree that he set aside for us. I went the other day, cut it all up, so now we've got to take it down to the farmhouse, and we use it this winter. And so there he goes again. I don't know how many. I wonder how many trips he's made, because he's been doing it all day long. Apparently, he said he's quite bored. That's a lot of dirt to move around like that, and he didn't have any help. So, okay, well, he's gonna come back tomorrow. I'm not sure what he's gonna do. I don't know how much farther he's going to go with that trench, but maybe he'll continue. I don't know. Maybe he'll continue around the corner. I'm not sure. At any rate, we'll find out, because I think he's still going to work tomorrow, even though the rocks can't come and he can't start working on the wall. Okay, that's it for today.